Did you know that a simple $100 investment in Bitcoin a few years ago could be worth thousands today? The world of cryptocurrency is growing fast, and it's time to get in on the action. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of crypto investing so you can make smart moves and start earning. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We've got you covered. First things first, let's break down what cryptocurrency really is. Simply put, it's a type of digital currency that uses encryption to secure transactions. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized and operates on a technology called blockchain. Imagine it like a giant digital ledger that everyone can access, but no one can change. That's how we can trust the system. So why should you invest in crypto? Well, apart from the crazy returns, it's an exciting way to diversify your portfolio. With traditional investments like stocks or bonds, there's often a limit to your growth. But with crypto, the sky's the limit. Whether you want to hold and grow your investment or trade for quick gains, crypto offers incredible opportunities. Now let's talk about which coins to invest in. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the biggest names, but there are thousands of altcoins out there. So how do you know where to start? Start by researching the most popular coins, understand their use cases and the technology behind them. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, but coins like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Cardano have gained traction for their use cases in decentralized finance and smart contracts. Before you can buy any crypto, you need a safe place to store it. That's where a crypto wallet comes in. There are different types of wallets: hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline and much safer for long-term storage. Setting one up is easy. Simply choose a reliable wallet app and follow the steps. Just make sure to keep your private keys safe. Buying crypto is easier than ever. You can use platforms like Coinbase or Binance to buy with your credit card, bank transfer, or even PayPal. After linking your payment method, just search for the coin you want to buy, hit buy, and voila. You're officially a crypto investor. Remember, start small and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now that you own some crypto, it's important to keep track of your investments. Many crypto apps and exchanges offer portfolio tracking tools. This will help you see how your assets are performing and decide when to buy, sell, or hold. Cryptocurrency is volatile, meaning prices can rise and fall dramatically in short periods. But don't panic. It's important to do your research, invest wisely, and never go all in. One way to protect yourself is by diversifying your portfolio. Spread your investments across multiple coins to reduce risk. Crypto is more than just a trend. It's the future. With innovations like decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts, the possibilities are endless. We're still in the early stages, and there's a lot of room for growth. The key is to stay informed and be ready to adapt as the market evolves. Now that you've got the basics, it's time to dive into the exciting world of crypto. Start small, stay patient, and keep learning. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on building your digital wealth. Welcome to the future of investing.